Hi guys, welcome back to Craft with Minsa. Today we're making boat. First, we're gonna fold the paper like this, and then open it, and then fold it again. Now put it upside down and tie it like an airplane. And then take a piece of paper and put it on top. Do the same on the other side. And then you take this part, close it up, and take this paper, put it underneath the other paper. Do on the other same side. And then take the paper and put it on top. Like this. Same side, the same thing. And then you open this part here, and then after that you open it, and then if you want to make it straight, press down, and this is it. We have a boat. If you want to watch more, please hit that like button and subscribe for more. Peace out.